Hello again. Back again today, and I'm actually going to do a different video today because I've actually been living in my local area of Chatham now for about 30 odd years, and it's amazing actually how you actually live in a town and sometimes you don't even notice stuff. For instance, like a few weeks ago I was just driving past and I noticed that a mural had appeared on a building. This is a mural that popped up. I didn't even realise it actually appeared on the building. I didn't even notice it was actually being made. It made me to think, what else is in my local area which I have not noticed? And basically, what else could hidden gems are around the area? So today, I'm going to actually wander around with the help of an app called Street Art. I'm going to actually have a look because I actually did a bit of research and noticed there's actually quite a few things in my area. So I'm going to go out with my camera, my Nikon D3500, see what I can find, and you know, we might find some hidden treasures around along the way, and obviously, yeah, see what the area has to offer. So hopefully you'll join me. Okay, I've now finished my walk of all the street arts, and hopefully you've seen the little montage I put together, hopefully showing all the art along with the artist's information. A big thank you to the app Street Art, because obviously without that I wouldn't have known that half of these were here, and I highly recommend you looking in the app as well, because you never know what's on your doorstep. So they haven't actually sponsored the video, but I will put a link to the app in the comments below. And as always, I always want you to give me feedback, comments, so I can actually sort of improve my photography, and obviously you can give me some ideas of what I can do next. As always, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.